Okay. I got Krizak. I got that Krizak. I got that crystal dong dong on your mom when it's only you got the only one. Hell yeah, I'm coming through, I'm on the scene and I'm posted up too clean. And yeah, you know I'm riding in this thing. You know I keep the whip, you know I keep it tight. You know I keep it up, but I'm posted up in this middle of the night. We coming through, we got your boy on crew. Nigga coming through, he say he tryna get the best of you. Hell yeah, I'm tryna get them dimes, get it all the time. Nigga, this is rhyme time, so we get the grind time. Get the grind time, yeah, we get the grind time. I'm trying to keep up my post up, my throwing up, my pulling up, and it's all up in my cup when I'm throwing up and I'm rolling up, I'm cutting up and I'm on the scene and I'm all too clean. Niggas seeing me, they like, goddamn, who the fuck I be? And I be, hell yeah, you know I be the fucking CC. I'm chilling and I'm posted up in the cut. Hell yeah, we throwing up, we pulling up, still throwing up. I do it just the way you like it. You don't give a fuck, that's why you keep it on your trifid. Keep it on your hyphy, nigga, call me twifey. When he wipe me, nigga, call me fucking twifey. Coming through and I'm on the scene, and I'm posted up and I'm on too clean. Higher than your higher scene, and yeah, we owe to me.
And I be higher than your higher, sipping on that lean. Rowdy like Piper, niggas know I'm off that jelly bean. Smoking on that smelly green. Yeah, that boy half face. Niggas know I'm in this bitch. Niggas know like half a day I make what she make in a month. You know I roll up a blunt. And I got your bitch up in the motherfucking blender on the track. Niggas know we getting racks. Nigga, sorry I fucked up your shit.
And you ain't fucked up, cause you my nigga, yeah, you posted up and you so clean. And you oh so clean, that nigga riding, he 28 up in it big. My nigga got that grimy for your shiny ass. When he blast on your ass, for your cash. Get your cash photo, for your hodo photo. 4-5, nigga, 4-5, we cutting up, we blowing lives. Nigga talking your shit, you get your wig spit. We blasting, hell yeah, you stupid dumb in this bitch. When you fuck with a nigga like me, cause they call me hypey twifey. When they boss me off, he costly, hell yeah. Going down, nigga, yeah, we going frown. We gon' act a clown, bitches going down. When you see a nigga posted up, I'm cutting up and I'm cutting up, I'm cutting up and I'm kicking it in the cut, I'm pulling, throwing up. And I'm so stupid ass niggas know I'm true. Cause when I'm coming through them niggas, that show do. Hell yeah, they threw you out. You back up in the trout. You fucking cutting up and you pulling up and you also clean. We riding 28s, nigga, I'ma get it live. Cause I'ma get my money fast, cash, get it live. Hell yeah, I'ma stack it up tall. I'ma rack it in the back that make them niggas stand back. I'ma bust your ass fast for the cash when he blast. He don't give a fuck, nigga, you finished last. I finished first place. That nigga Murky, he coming through, hell yeah, he on some hurt me shit when he spit. For your clip on a bitch, he don't give a fuck. Nigga coming through, he posted up, he on the scene, he too clean. Hell yeah, we know he be, hell yeah, but that's my nigga, do he be posted on the scene.